Well, I got bored. Since I fucked myself up, I haven't had very much time, or I've had too much time and not a lot of shit to do. So I rebuilt a shit lawnmower and put a custom exhaust on it. It's a paintball gun barrel, JB welded into there. Sounds pretty good, I guess. If you like stupid, noisy lawnmowers. Let me get this started here. Louder than fuck and just absolutely stupid, but I know you guys will love it.